Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a pulse load battery tester, also called a cell checker, on a car battery. If you've ever had a car that cranks slow, or you just want to check the health of your battery before it leaves you stranded, this tool is quick, easy, and it gives you a much better idea of your battery condition than just a simple voltage check. So first, let's talk about what this tester actually does. Unlike just checking voltage with a multimeter, this tool puts a load on the battery, similar to what your starter does when you crank the engine. That way, it tests how the battery performs under stress, which tells you if it's actually strong enough to start your car. Now, I know this tool isn't a tool everybody has sitting around, but it's a really cool piece of equipment I was able to get my hands on. And what's neat is this tester has different settings: 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 volts. You just select the setting that matches your battery. When you go to test the battery, you'll notice the tester has different amp hour ranges instead of just one button. On the 12 volt, the options are 1 to 4, 5 to 15, 16 to 50, and 50 to 200. To pick the right one, you need to know your battery's amp hour rating. You can usually find this printed right on the battery label. If it says something like 60 AH, you'd set the tester to the 50 to 200 range. If it's a smaller battery like a power sports or a motorcycle battery, around 12 or 20 AH, you'd pick the 16 to 50 range. Alright, let's look it up. Clamp the red lead to the positive terminal and the black lead to the negative terminal. Now for the actual test. With the clamps connected, choose the correct setting for your battery. In this case, we're going to select 12 volts and then hit the mode button until it reads 50 to 200 AH. The LED indicator lights up to show the battery's health. Once selected, the tester applies a simulated load. If the LEDs land in the green, the battery is strong. If it sits in the yellow, it's weak or borderline. And if it drops into the red, the battery is failing and needs to be replaced. So that's it. A pulse load battery tester is a really quick way to check battery health. The LED scale makes it super simple: red, yellow, or green, and you know right away if the battery is good or bad. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple DIY car tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.